Daily Habits Chat, Learn English at a Café. Hi Annabelle. It's good to see you. How are you doing?
Hi George. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I love coming to this cafe. It's a nice place to relax. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here almost every day. I love the coffee and the cozy atmosphere. What about you?
I come here a few times a week. I usually come in the morning before work. It's a great way to start the day.
That sounds nice. Do you have any other daily habits?
Yes, I usually go for a run in the morning. It helps me feel energized for the day. Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I do yoga every evening. It helps me relax and stay flexible. What do you do after your run?
After my run, I have a healthy breakfast, then I get ready for work. I like to keep my mornings productive. How about you?
I like to have a light breakfast and then read for a bit. It's a peaceful way to start my day. What kind of books do you read?
I mostly read nonfiction, especially about history and science. What about you?
I love reading fiction, especially mystery and romance novels. It's a great way to escape reality. Do you read before bed?
Sometimes, but I usually watch a bit of TV before I go to sleep. It helps me unwind. Do you have any evening routines?
Yes, I like to have a cup of herbal tea and write in my journal. It helps me reflect on the day. Do you keep a journal?
I don't, but it sounds like a good idea. Maybe I should start. How long have you been journaling?
I've been doing it for a couple of years now. It's really helpful for organizing my thoughts and setting goals. What are your goals for this year?
I want to improve my cooking skills and travel to a few new places. How about you?
I want to learn a new language and spend more time outdoors. Maybe we can share some cooking tips sometime.
That sounds great. I'd love that. It was nice talking to you, Annabelle.
You too, George. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
English practice essential animal questions for beginners. What is your favorite animal, Albert? My favorite animal is a dog. How many cats does Barbara have? Barbara has 3 cats. Can a lion live in the jungle? Yes, a lion can live in the jungle. Do elephants live in Africa? Yes, elephants live in Africa. Does Albert like to watch birds? Yes, Albert likes to watch birds. Where do fish live? Fish live in the water. Can Barbara ride a horse? Yes, Barbara can ride a horse. Is a shark a dangerous animal? Yes, a shark is a dangerous animal. Do you have a pet, Albert? Yes, I have a pet dog. Are penguins birds? Yes, penguins are birds. Where do kangaroos live? Kangaroos live in Australia. Can an owl see at night? Yes, an owl can see at night. Do chickens lay eggs? Yes, chickens lay eggs. What color is a panda? A panda is black and white. Does Barbara like rabbits? Yes, Barbara likes rabbits. What is a baby cat called? A baby cat is called a kitten. Is a crocodile a reptile? Yes, a crocodile is a reptile. Can a cheetah run fast? Yes, a cheetah can run very fast. Does Albert have a fish tank? Yes, Albert has a fish tank.
How to cook your favorite meal, a simple guide. Hi Nicole, you always bring such delicious meals for lunch. What's your secret?
Hello, Charles. Thank you, that's very kind of you. My secret isn't really a secret, it's all about using fresh ingredients and a bit of love.
That sounds wonderful. I wish I could cook well. My cooking skills are pretty basic.
Everyone starts somewhere, Charles. Cooking is easier than most people think. Do you have a favorite meal you'd like to learn how to make?
Actually, yes. I've always loved spaghetti bolognese. But every time I try to make it, something goes wrong.
Spaghetti bolognese is a great choice and not too hard to make. First, you need to sauté onions and garlic until they're soft.
That seems manageable. What comes after the onions and garlic?
Then, you add ground beef and cook it until it's brown. Make sure to break it into small pieces as it cooks.
Got it. And the sauce?
For the sauce, you add canned tomatoes, some tomato paste, and let it simmer. Season it with salt, pepper, and basil. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes, the longer, the better.
That sounds doable. And the pasta?
Boil water in a large pot, add a pinch of salt, and then the pasta. Cook it according to the package instructions until it's al dente.
Al dente? What does that mean?
It means the pasta is cooked through but still has a bit of firmness to it. It shouldn't be too soft.
I see. That's really helpful, Nicole. I'll definitely try making it this weekend.
You're welcome, Charles. Remember, cooking is about experimentation. Even if it doesn't turn out perfect, you'll learn and improve.
Thank you for the encouragement. I'll let you know how it goes.
Please do. And if you have any questions or need more tips, feel free to ask. Happy cooking!
Thanks, Nicole. I'm looking forward to giving it another try. See you around.
See you, Charles. Enjoy your cooking adventure.
Learn English. Simple prepositions of place with examples. Where is the cat? The cat is on the table. Where's the book? The book is under the chair. Where's the clock? The clock is above the door. Where's the pen? The pen is in the bag. Where's the car? The car is next to the house. Where's the dog? The dog is in front of the sofa. Where is Paul? Paul is behind the door. Where is Nancy? Nancy is between the two cars. Where are the shoes? The shoes are under the bed. Where is the lamp? The lamp is on the desk. Where is the painting? The painting is on the wall. Where is the remote? The remote is beside the TV. Where is the laptop? The laptop is on the table. Where is the vase? The vase is on the shelf. Where is the cat's toy? The cat's toy is under the couch. Where's the coffee cup? The coffee cup is on the counter. Where is the mirror? The mirror is above the sink. Where is the chair? The chair is next to the table. Where is the backpack? The backpack is behind the chair. Where is the notebook? The notebook is in the drawer.